Hello everyone, this is the Punging and today we're playing Beeswarm again. So now it's night time and in the last episode we fought the vicious bee three times. Yes, three times we fought the vicious bee. Like, every single night we fought one. We fought the vicious bee. So and now it's night, so yeah. So the vicious bee has spawned. Let's see where it is. And in the last episode, we got 25 bees right at the end of it. So yeah. I mean, the last two times we fought the vicious bee in the last episode was in the rose field, and now it's not there. Okay, is it somewhere else? No, it's not there. Well, now we can use the red cannon. So yeah, cool. You can just fly up over here, and we can go to the next shop. Whoa, I can't believe I'm here. Cool. Now we don't have 30 bees, so you can't go there. Whoa, let's see the shop. 20 million for the golden rake, sparks, beekeeper's boots, beekeeper's mask, mono belt bag, porcelain dipper, porcelain proto hive, and glider for 5 million. I really want that. And another hive spot for 3 million. So let's get this ticket. Whoa, I found a ticket. This is top bear. Use the field booster. Yeah, sure. What field? We got pumpkin patch. We sadly don't have any quests there. Oh no, we do have quests. Let's go. So where is the pumpkin patch? Right in the 15 place. So let's fly up over here. And there's a rain. Whoa, this is gonna be real fast. We got rain, we got everything. And now I'm gonna put this sprinklers. Boom. Is that the windy bee? Oh, this is the windy bee. Whoa, that's the windy bee. Oh no, I need to close this. Then I need to take a picture of the windy bee. Come on, windy bee. Come. I mean, how do I attack it? Attack the windy bee. Oh, that's how you attack it. Whoa, we're attacking the windy bee in this episode. Ouch! That's a tornado. How do you even get the windy bee? Do you just have to kill it? I mean, it has less HP, so yeah. Ow! This is my first time ever fighting the windy bee. I don't think I want to be in that red place. No. I'm coming. I hate windy bee. I swear. Don't fling me. Don't you fling me. Nope. Don't you look at me. Don't you look at me. Would you attack it? Okay, that's a tiny one. It's easy to dodge. If I stay next to him, close to him, and I just spin around, if he tries to aim me, it will be very easy to dodge. Okay, that's easy. And now the tornadoes are also easy to dodge. If I'm right next to him, what he's gonna do? He's spinning around to summon a tornado. Bees attack! More tornadoes, I guess. Windy bee really likes tornadoes. No. Up over there. Not gonna go there. Okay, he has less than 1,000 health. Whoa. Okay, what is up with these episodes for fighting these bees? Like last episode we fought And we have a honey storm. What? Is there anyone in the server? Nope, only me. Okay, that's weird. But hey, at least we got a honey storm with the windy bee, and this place is gifted, and we have a thing here. And also we had a rain cloud, but yeah. What does the windy bee give me? Huh? I don't know. I mean, the vicious bee gives me stingers, and I know where to get the vicious bee. It's the windy bee. I don't know where. What the? Oh, there's. Oh! Oh, like it's like gives you treats. Attack. Oh, there's a timer. If you defeat it in that time, it'll give you like a bunch of stuff, like royal jelly, stuff like that. Oh, but I feel, but like, how do you get the vicious bee? I mean, the windy bee. Cause like I've seen like multiple people like with the vicious, well, I mean with the windy bee, like in their hive, like whoosh 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 the entire field. I'll just be back to you when I kill this one. Boop. Yeah, I don't think we can make it. Hey, at least we killed it once. I don't think we can make it in like 10 seconds. So yeah, while that happens, I'm just gonna... Hi, don't you push me. Attack the windy bee, it's gone. Windy bee is fleeing. I will see you next time. Oh, he's going over there, to his home. Those chimes, well... Yeah, we have like a quest here, so... Be back to you in a flash. Okay, I am back and we finished the mountain meandering. Cool. So now I think this is the quest where Black Bear is gonna give me my diamond egg.
Say inshallah.
And I hope.
Okay.
Let's go, Black Bear. Oh, okay, this is the last quest.
Oh man.
Quest of Legends. Oh my goodness, my bag can't even hold this.
What is your quest?
500,000 white pollen, 500,000 red pollen, 500,000 blue pollen.
Oh yeah, I remember doing that like a year ago.
Okay, well, I got some royal jelly, because I got a sprout.
But oh yeah, I have a sprout. Do you wanna?
Wait, I got a fire bee.
Wait, it's night. It's night.
Basic bee, hasty, commander bee.
Okay, but it's night. We have to vicious bee.
Yes, sure. We will have to vicious bee. I'm just gonna spend my thing on I love fire bee, so no. I don't like my
It's not about what you like, it's about what's good.
The fire bee is good. My honey bee, I have like 2 of them. Bumble and a stubborn bee. I'm just gonna give my feed to. I gave my music bee a bunch of. Now I'm gonna give my music bee all. There you go. And now I just need.
And rose field.
What is it? A gifted or no gifted?
No, it's fine.
Well, I'll just be back to you when I finish this vicious bee. Boop.
And now I have.
Boom. That vicious bee is dead.
I got 2.
Cool. Oh, I need a bunch of red pollen. I need blue pollen and white pollen. I know where to get the white pollen, and I know where to get the blue and the red pollen.
I'm gonna use some berries.
So cool. So sorry for that. Talk to Brown Bear. Wait, what's your? All right. Sorry. Blah 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 blah. I am so sorry for that. Let's see. I'll be back to you when I finish that quest. I think the...
All you are doing is quest after quest after quest.
Yeah, that's the entire point of the game, to do quests and get stuff. I'm just
Yeah, I
gonna
know.
do the clover field.
I meant like you're only showing your fans quest.
No, I mean I do show fights.
Yeah.
So I'll be back to you when I finish the solo no.
Oh wait. Oh.
Yeah, when I finish the solo clove. Boop. Boom. Snap of my finger talking, and now I'm gonna talk to Brown Bear. Royal jelly. There you go.
What did you get?
And now I have another quest. Oh my. Royal jelly. You need 110,000 from blue flower and 210,000 white pollen. I'm just gonna do that while I do my white pollen quest. I have a royal jelly, using it on my stubborn bee. A shocked bee. I still have all legendaries and epics and gifted bees.
Oh my god.
Well now. Oh, and now I'm gonna feed my Teresa music bee. And there you go, 7 to 7 for Mother Bear. What's Mother Bear gonna give us for this very, 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 very hard quest?
What she give you?
Wait, I'm going.
Oh.
My parachute is very slow. Boom, talk to Mother Bear. Oh, I know you can do it. Blah, blah, blah. One royal jelly and a star egg!
A star egg?
Yep.
What was your quest anyway?
Feeding 500 treats to my bees, 7 bees to level 7, and 25 strawberries and 25 blueberries.
I already did that because my mother bear like feed 3,000 treats to your bee.
I mean, should I use it?
And record first.
Okay, I'm recording. Okay, let's see what am I gonna get in 3, 2, 1. I got a gifted stubborn bee. Medium.
Yeah. Imagine you got a gifted legendary.
Yes, that would be crazy.
Imagine just get like a gifted mythic.
Yeah, that would be more crazy.
Yes.
I am just gonna go to the 15B area, where's the shortcut to? I think the red cannon is a shortcut.
Oh, the star egg. You got star egg, right?
Yep, and I removed the bee and replaced it with a star egg.
It always gives you a gifted bee.
Yep.
That you don't have in your hive.
Yep, I know that.
Okay, spider.
Maybe I can get this ticket. There you go. This parachute is pretty awesome. Now I'm gonna get that royal jelly. No, give me. Okay, now there's a weird thing over here. What's this? Oh no! I did not know that was an obby, and now I'm dead into pieces.
Obby?
Yeah, there's an obby.
Where?
When you go to the 25B place, go on top of the red thing, and then glide over to the ticket, and then there will be a tiny hole.
Okay.
Did you understand anything?
No. You're like got the red thingy with the thingy on it.
In the 25B place, the red thing on the
What thing?
on the side of the 30B place.
Oh yeah.
Where are my bees?
They're in the fly. What?
What do you mean that is the fly?
They're in the sky flying.
Quick, do something! I'm dying here.
Who?
Me.
Are you talking to?
Look, I'm literally recording.
Yourself?
I'm literally recording. Where are all my bees?
So you're maybe talking to millions of people, or you're just talking to 3 people.
There you go. Now, there you go. I'm going to go to the polar bear quest. Gonna do the polar bear quest. Polar bear quest. Polar bear quest.
I am almost done.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Yes. And I just need 100,000 more. Yep.
And then you're gonna get the diamond egg?
No.
What?
And then I'm gonna get the glider. 100,000 more honey.
I thought you meant like in your black bear quest.
My black bear, I still need like a few 500,000.
My black bear, I need 1 more million. Come on, that's literally enough.
Quack, 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 quack. Well then, I believe that's it for the video. So, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and as always, don't have a good day. Have a fun day. Goodbye, everyone.